My name is Zak Lewis. I'm on SPU on large line and finishing. Now I'm in the Ohio Army National Guard. The tasks are definitely different, but on my line, teamwork is very, very important, and I relate that to the teamwork I also experienced in the military. When the pandemic broke out, they activated the National Guard, and we went from going into the prison system to assist the Department of Corrections, and then to the mass vaccination site in Cleveland, Ohio to help out with the vaccination mission there. And then I did an at-home mission where they sent all those soldiers into the hospitals. My team coordinated to make sure who needed the resources all across the state of Ohio. For the military, I've achieved in these 5 years about every goal I set out to do, which was to help the community to the best I can. And then as for McWane, I hope to retire here just like my grandfather.